Hello everyone! Finding the perfect digital piano isn't just about the price. It's about finding the right balance of key action, sound realism, and how it fits into your home. Whether you're an absolute beginner or an advanced player, today we're comparing the top 5 digital pianos to help you find your ideal match. Let's get started. Starting us off at number 5 is the Yamaha P-45. This is our top pick for absolute beginners. If you are just starting your musical journey and want something reliable without overcomplicating things, this is it. It features Yamaha's graded hammer standard action, which means the keys feel heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end, just like an acoustic piano. It's incredibly portable, weighing only about 25 pounds, making it perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms. While it has a simpler 64-note polyphony and 10 built-in voices, it focuses on the essentials. It's a no-frills practice tool that has helped millions of students develop the right finger strength. It's a safe, durable investment that holds its value for years. At number 4, we have the Donner DDP-80. This is the best for mid-century modern design. If you want a piano that looks like a beautiful piece of furniture rather than a piece of tech, you'll love this. It features a retro walnut finish and sleek metal legs that fit perfectly into modern home decor. Donner took a minimalist approach here. There are no buttons or screens on the front, and it only features one sound, a grand piano. It uses a French Dream sound source that delivers a bright, resonant tone through powerful 40-watt speakers. It even comes with a full triple-pedal unit. It's perfect for the distraction-free learner who wants a stylish instrument that's always ready to play. Coming in at number 3 is the Casio Privia PX870. This is the best for immersive sound in small spaces. Casio managed to pack a massive 40-watt, 4-speaker sound system into a cabinet that is less than 12 inches deep. It's the ultimate space saver that doesn't sacrifice power. The standout feature is the sound projection system and a lid simulator, which digitally recreates how the sound changes when a grand piano lid is opened. With a high 256-note polyphony, you'll never have to worry about notes cutting out during complex classical pieces. The keys have a simulated ebony and ivory texture that feels great under the fingers. If you live in an apartment but want a grand room-filling sound, the PX870 is a fantastic choice. Moving to number 2, it's the Roland FP-30X. This is the gold standard for gigging and realistic action. Roland is famous for their PHA-4 action, which includes an escapement mechanism, that subtle click you feel on a grand piano. It's widely considered the most realistic-feeling keyboard in its class. Inside, it uses the Supernatural sound engine, which uses physical modeling to give you incredibly smooth transitions from soft to loud playing. It's also a connectivity powerhouse, featuring Bluetooth MIDI and audio so you can play along to your favorite tracks wirelessly. Plus, it has discrete line outputs to connect directly to speakers or a recording interface. For the serious student or the performing musician, the FP-30X is hard to beat. And finally, taking the top spot is the Yamaha YDP-184. This is our overall champion for the premium home experience. This is the flagship of the Arius line, and it's essentially a clavinova-level instrument in a more accessible package. It features the world-class CFX concert grand sound, which is brilliant, clear, and powerful. What sets this apart is the virtual resonance modeling technology. It calculates the complex physical interactions of strings and the soundboard in real time, making it feel alive. The GH3 action allows for professional-level note repetition, and the massive 60-watt speaker system provides an incredible depth of sound. With a 16-track recorder and an intuitive LCD display, it's a professional-grade tool for teachers, composers, and serious home players. For the best total experience in touch and tone, the YDP-184 takes the crown. So which one is right for you? If you're on a budget, go with the Yamaha P-45. If you want a stunning furniture piece, grab the Donner. But if you want the ultimate professional home setup, the Yamaha YDP-184 is the clear winner. Check the links in the description for the latest availability. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.